Hello, I'm Myla Petree, Head of Manufacturing for the ABB NEMA Motors Division. I'm often asked, how important or how challenging is it for women to play a visible role in my industry? I like to share that I chose my career to become a mechanical engineer and to make a difference in manufacturing because of a very strong and amazing woman I knew as a role model, my mother. She was my shero. She worked in production for over 40 years, and because of her, I never had any doubts about what I could accomplish. I also know that not all young women have the same exposure to manufacturing that I had. And because the difference my mom made to me, I'm inspired to be an example to others. My former manager, who at the time was nominating me for a manufacturing award, he noted to me, he said that I was the first female plant manager in the 98-year history of our motor business. For this year's International Women's Day, I choose to challenge any limiting perceptions of women in manufacturing. There are so many exceptional women contributing to our business, and I choose to continue to positively shape the perception by encouraging, recognizing, and celebrating their accomplishments and all their potential.